Hi, my name is Yvonne. I am 89 years old. I study business administrator. The place that I choose to talk about is La Santa Maria Square. La Santa Maria Square does not seem to be affected by time. It still remains intact after 88 years of history. This scenario had witnessed not only bullfighting in colors or brave party, as the Taurophils call it, that was the purpose of its construction, but it has a meeting place where public opinion has come together at short time moments in the country, the animalists, the artisans, and citizens in general. According to the story, in mid-1928, the hero and rancher Don Ignacio Sanz de Santa Maria began to devise the words of what in his thinking would be a great monumental square and to make his dream come true. He designed almost all his fortune. On February 8, 1931, this work was inaugurated, which was attended by the president at the moment, Mr. Enrique La Herrera, and bullfighters from Spain. The Santa Maria is administered by the District Institute of Arts. It acts. Here are 5 curious facts which you might to know about the story of this historical, cultural, and architectural site in Bogota. The lower of the Santa Maria is now located was purchased for 70,000 pesos. At the time of 1928, it was a good amount of money, and yet it was little compared to the $4,000 that its founder and businessman Ignacio Sanz had to invest later to leave the construction of the square. It was the first building built in sweet cement in Bogota. The engineers Adonai Martinez and Eduardo Lescano were in charge of building what would be the first building made with concrete or reinforced concrete in Bogota. Had the stands of the previous square had been made of wood. It was declared a national monument of Colombia. The Santa Maria was proposed as a national monument of Colombia through Resolution 3 of March 12, 1982. Its declaration was made on September 26, 1984. Jorge Eliezer Gaitán used the square for his 46th campaign. On the night of his death on April 9, 1948, many of Jorge Eliezer Gaitán followers were waiting for him concentrated in Santa Maria. The order was to leave from there to the palace. Its leader never arrived. In 1994, a Spanish architect designed the current facade Santiago de la Mora, a Spanish architect designed the current facade of La Santa Maria using the multi-jar brick style, an artistic style that develops in the Christian kingdoms of the Iberian Peninsula and incorporated Spanish Muslim influence. Thank you.